Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Duo. In this video I'll show you how to check number of apps opened each day. Firstly, open Settings and search for Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now tap on Show Your Data and Unlocks. Here we've got full list of apps on this phone. As you can see, today I've opened Settings 15 times and Google Drive 12 times. You can also check for different days. Just click on this day. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.